Good morning, guys. I am gonna do this live real quick. I'm not gonna stay on it just because I'm just gonna get on here, mark my chart up. There was this move I was waiting to play out last night when the stream ended. Last night I had the chart basically marked here, but then I didn't have this movement yet. I did post it in my Discord that I was waiting for this pattern to play out. I was looking at it around here, around this point, and it was doing like a little choppiness right here, but I had a feeling it was going to come up to 40.50. And the last trade I was in last night was actually right around here as well. Let's see, yeah, because it was like 11, so like right here, what I was waiting to play out at least to come up to like 40.40, which it ended up coming like 1:30. But I wanted to go to bed before midnight, so even though I knew it was gonna play out, I didn't wait for it. And I think I ended the stream probably like 11:30, which would have been right here when it touched 40.25. I took like a little small profit on just a trade I was playing around with on live. I was serious about the trade, but I wasn't serious about wanting to hold it. I knew it was accurate. It never came back down to the stop loss I had, which was below this level here. I actually had a pending limit I canceled too that would have been activated right now at 4,003. I kind of forgot about that. Well, no, it didn't come to 4,003 yet. A little short of 4,003. But the point is, you know what? Hold on, because I think that's going to be my trade for today. The stop loss was at 39.95. I had a pending limit 4,003 with a take profit of 20.50. Now it might not come back down here. I was looking at this double bottom, but if it does, $80? Do I really want to risk $80? I don't want to risk $80. That's 20%. I'm gonna go $40. So a little less than 10%. $40 for 235. I wouldn't mind doing. Um, so yeah, I'm setting my pending limit back. It didn't hit it last night, and it might not hit it now, but if it does come down to like tap 4,000, I'll get in there. I'm just checking this candle on this side to see if I want to go up a little to here. What is that? Let's do 4,003.5. 4,003.5. Yeah. If it doesn't come down and it goes back up and takes off without me, oh well. Because it also could come down and just crash through my stop loss. So I'm not really willing to risk so much. I just got the account over 400 yesterday. So over 300% gain so far. So I'm trading lightly. But the point is, so the move played out after I went to bed. Let's put this in hours and see how long it took. This was the 10 o'clock candle I was on live talking about. And then 11 o'clock basically broke through, but it was acting like it was having a hard time getting above 40.25. I wasn't waiting on that, but if I would have, it went through it at 12 o'clock. My first TP was at 40.40, so that would have been hit at 12. We had a retracement down to 40.25 at 2, and then when London session opened at 3, we took off from 40.25 to 40.50. And if you can kind of see, this is why I do the quarter levels, because these are major points where you're most likely going to get this type of reaction off gold. When it goes from one, it's gonna go to the other. So when it went from 4,000, I knew it was gonna go to 40.25. If it breaks through 40.25, it's gonna go to 40.50. Now you can't decide that it's gonna go right to the next one. Sometimes it might get there and then do something like this, crash all the way back down to the last one at 4,000. So either way, I'm gonna go ahead and I don't think I really need to change any of my markings, but let me see if, hold on, cause maybe this one. I already have the line at 4,000, so I don't think I need to zone there. This is, let me get the 30-minute to try to get it a little more clear. So this move played out, so we could go ahead and delete the W. Um, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this extra rectangle because that was just there because of the double bottom. And we're just gonna extend this one. Should I go here? Extend this across. I think my same levels are still valid. I'm just refining them based on the market structure that developed last night. Overall, not much has changed though. I'm curious to see if it's going to tap me in here. Hopefully, it doesn't come down because I know a better stop loss would have been down here at like 39.82, but I'm not willing to go that far. If I had to go that far, I just wouldn't take the trade. So instead, I just use the risk that I'm okay with, go from there. Go ahead and put the position tool for my pending limit. Me put it on perfectly. Entry at 4,003.5. Profit at 40.50. Stop loss 39.95. Hmm. Let me go ahead and get a screenshot of that. I'm gonna actually post this one in my regular chat. Hoping to enter at 4,003.5. Stop loss at 3995, which is kind of tight. What live is this? For 18. Anyway, so Um, let's check this top resistance. It's pretty accurate. The only thing is we have a new high. There's a new high. Well, no, because yesterday's high of 40.59 is still the top, but now we have this section here. So I'm going to remove this one because the majors level's there, so we already kind of have that. Put this up a little more. So yeah, now I am just going to freaking wait it out. It's a strong potential that this pending trade may not be activated, but if it's not, it's not. Either way, let me see if I want to do a market execution as well. Nope, because it'll be like a 1.7 to 1. Let me see how that 5 minute looked. Mm, I don't know. It might not be coming back. Oh, we got another double bottom right here. If so, I might. Let me see. I might could do a penny with the stop loss at 4,003. Let me see. Come on, thing. No, I'm not interested in that either. It's like a 1 or 2. I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just wait because there's no telling what's gonna happen. And if I don't get the entry, I'll just come back later. Ooh, look at that freaking. Ooh, yeah, it might not be coming back. I might have missed it. Hmm. Yeah, it's not worth it. I'm not doing it. So yeah, I'm gonna just wait, see what happens with the pending limit. Now this last hour at 9 o'clock ended extremely bearish. It bypassed all these previous candles. So I do kind of got hope that the pending limit will activate because I feel like this one could come back down and tap 4,000. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. And we'll just move on and see what structure is made for later. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video here now. I do get the option to let it stay live and I just don't, but I'm gonna just wait for it. So if it activates or I see something else, I will be back later.